Morning, student. Uh, Already we discussed about nutrition in organisms. The food material taken in during the process of nutrition used in cells to provide the energy for various life processes. And the food is in the form of carbohydrate, protein, and lipids. These carbohydrates undergo oxidation to release the glucose molecule. Glucose molecule is a 6 carbon molecule. It undergo oxidation to release 3 carbon molecule. It is called pyruvate. This process takes place in the cytoplasm. Further, the pyruvate may be converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide. This process takes place by yeast, in presence of yeast during fermentation. Okay. In the absence of air, oxygen is not present. Then it is known as anaerobic respiration. There are two types of respiration. One is aerobic respiration and another one is anaerobic respiration. Breakdown of pyruvate using oxygen. It takes place in the mitochondria, and this process is known as aerobic oxidation. Okay. Here, pyruvate is a 3 carbon molecule. It undergo oxidation to release the carbon dioxide. The other product is water. Okay. Since this process takes place in the presence of oxygen, then it is known as aerobic respiration. The release of energy in the aerobic process is greater than the anaerobic process. There is a lack of oxygen in muscle cells. See, when we are taking the food, okay, complete it undergo oxidation, it releases energy is in the form of glucose. This glucose is absorbed by the blood vessels, and it undergo oxidation to release the ATP, that is in the form of energy. This energy undergo oxidation to release the energy through the complete part of the body by the number of millions of cells are present in our body, that is absorbed by the ATP energy. Okay, ATP is oxidized in the mitochondria. Okay, when there is a lack of muscles, the pathway is breakdown into pyruvate is converted into lactic acid. This lactic acid, it is a 3 carbon molecule. During sudden activity, there is a cramps will come in the muscles. Here, this pathway is very important. You have to make it perfect. Okay, the glucose is a 6 carbon molecule. In the cytoplasm, this glucose is broken down into pyruvate. It is a 3 carbon molecule and it releases energy also. In the absence of enzymes, in the absence of oxygen in yeast cell, means yeast cell or microorganism, there is a formation of ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy. This ethanol is a 2 carbon molecule. Okay, lack of oxygen in our muscle cell, there is a formation of lactic acid plus energy. Lactic acid is a 3 carbon molecule. In the presence of oxygen, that is aerobic condition, there is a formation of carbon dioxide, water and energy is released. This energy is utilized by our body. This is breakdown of glucose by various pathway. This pathway is very important.